Hi students, good evening everybody. Chaliye, let's not waste the time and let's try to move forward. Yes, some students are asking, did the class start? Yes, the class is about to start. Now, students, I believe that you can listen to me very clearly. Okay. Yes. Good evening, Aishwarya. Good evening, Mayank, Amrita. Very good. Okay. Let's try to move forward for today's topic. Yesterday we have done a topic called coding decoding. So due to some kind of issues that chat was not supported, but you can hear me very clearly. But I have given uploaded that video only for a few days. Anyways, let's try to move forward. Directions is very important from reasoning point of view. Okay. So I have found that reasoning point of view, you have got regular questions in this thing. Clear? Capgemini, yes, Vishwajit, good evening. Okay, Capgemini also gives you these questions. Capgemini had also given. Okay, so let's try to move forward. Direction sense, we will learn the basics. There are some 4 to 5 models. Okay, I'll teach you 4 to 5 models. Yesterday we have done what we call about coding decoding. We have learned 4 models. When the things are same, arrangement model, and when the things are different, shifting model, and then left hand side content, right hand side content are equal, then we call it as comparison model, and then if it is not equal, ranking model. These are the 4 basic and very important things we have learned. I hope you have understood that. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. Direction sense. Okay, now, oh yes, let's try to have a tell you that this is a clear, this is a link following. Clear? As you all know that tomorrow we will be having a YouTube live, and again these are the placement questions, whatever are there. I have picked all the collections, not just what we are doing right now. What we are doing right now, we are doing regular, all the topics. We are doing all the topics day by day, day by day, day by day. But companies give you some tricky questions. For those tricky questions, we are here. Following, everybody? So I just want you to just listen this thing. If you have not subscribed, okay, please do it. Please do it. And also you just try to inform this. You just try to inform this to your friends or WhatsApp groups, so that maximum people will attend this, so they will also get the benefit and they will also know what kind of trainings we are doing. Okay, everybody, I believe that you will share today. Okay, thanks a lot. Shiva is saying I'm facing issue. Okay, we don't know what issue he is facing. Clear? um I'll connect with him. I'll connect with him. Okay. Now let's try to say that. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Here, I think you will do it. Okay. Now, students, tomorrow, tomorrow we have 2 hours session. Okay. Now, in direction sense, basically there are 4 kind of things. To your right side is said to be east. To your left side is said to be west. To your or top is north and bottom is south. So these are the 4 main directions you should remember. Okay, east, west, north, south. Yes, when you come in between these two, this is said to be northeast because this lies between north and east. Okay, but before I teach you this one, let me just try to revise this thing. There are 4 main directions. Bolo, what are the 4 main directions? North, south, east, west. What are the 4 main directions? North, south. No, 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 this is not the way. North, south, east, west. Don't learn like this. Okay, learn like this. Okay, you all know that. Bolo, what is this direction? This direction is north. Okay, everybody, after north, What is this said to be? East. After east, what is this? South. Okay. After south, what is this? West. After west, what is this? North. After north, east. So you should remember in clockwise. Questions will be easy for you. I'll repeat once again. What is this? North, east, south, west. Once again. North, east, south, west. You should remember what is after north. After north is always east. After east, south. After east, south. You should learn in a clockwise directions. Are you understanding, everybody? After south, west. After west, north. I tell you once again, after north, east. After east, south. After south, west. And after west, north. Things will be easy for you. Some questions you can just try to learn very easily when you remember in clockwise. Many people don't know. Many people don't know. They will learn like this: north, south, east, west. No. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, beside these things, let me just tell you there are 4 sub-directions. Okay, this is said to be northeast because it is between north and east. This side is northwest. This side is southeast. This side is southwest. Following, everybody? Basically, there are 4 main directions and there are 4 sub-directions. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? Now, let's try to go across and just try to learn few more. Okay, now let's listen, everybody. Okay, now you have learned the basics. Okay, now if I give you main directions, can you tell me subdirection? If I give you main direction, can you tell me subdirection? Can you tell me what is this direction comes here? Please tell me what is this direction. Northeast. Very good, very good, very good. You have popped up. Very good, very good. Thanks. Quick responses. Arey wah, that's good. Okay, if I give you main directions, you can tell me sub direction, that is northwest. In your chat box, everybody is saying I'm happy. Now, if I give you sub direction, if I give you sub direction, can you tell me main directions? What should be here and what should be here? This is what my question. If I give you sub-direction, please tell me main direction. Very good, Jagdish. Very good. 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 Now, on the board now. On the board now. Very good, Akshay. Akshay got the correct one. Okay, just try to listen, everybody. You are telling this one is north and this one is west. Why you told this one is north and this one is west? Can't you say like this? Sir, I will tell this one is west and this one is north. Okay, everybody. So we are in a confusion. North after that west or west after that north? Listen, everybody. Let's try to talk about the basics clockwise. After north, east. After east, south. After south, west. After west, north. After west, north. Look. After west you have north, but not after north you have west. Clear hai? Are you understanding, everybody? So you cannot put in your own style. Following? Clear? This is the basics what we are learning. Are you understanding, everybody? I believe you all people have understood. You all people in your brain saying yes, yes, yes. I know that everybody is saying yes, yes, yes. Now let's try to move forward. I will give you sub-direction. Now you tell me main directions. East, south, Josna. That's good. That's good, Aniket. That's good, Aditi. Okay. Shaker. That's good. Okay. Why east and south, sir? Because this is east. After east, I have south, but after south, I don't have east. So this is the way we should remember. So directions have one thing, that is cyclic. Don't forget that, students. Don't forget that. Okay. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. Now let's try to learn few more basics. What basics we are learning, I'll tell you right now. Okay. Now. Very good, Subhashmita. Now let's see here. If a person is going towards the north, if the person is going towards the north going person, suppose he wants to take a right turn. Suppose he wants to take a right turn. So where he will go? East. Remember the basics. North going person taking a right, he will go towards the east. Let me ask you. North going person taking a left, he will go towards the west. Understanding everybody? Remember these basics everybody. North going person taking a right, he will always go towards the east. North going person taking a left, he will always go towards the west. Remember, okay? So you should remember. You cannot shout, okay? I know that you're in front of. Just try to remember in your brain what I'm teaching you. North going person, okay? Remember in your brain. North going person taking a right, he always go towards the east. North going person taking a left, he always go towards the west. Now, let's sort of go and just check it out. Imagine this is your car and your car is traveling towards the east. Understanding? East, 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 right, right, south. Remember, east going person taking a right, that's south. East going person taking a left, north. Understanding what I'm telling you? Okay, east going person taking a right will always go towards the south, and same, your car is going towards the left, east going person taking a left, that will go towards north. Are you understanding? These all basics are very, very important. If this was a classroom training and you are sitting in front of me, I will ask you to shout and you will shout, I will move forward. But this is an online training. You cannot shout here, but you just try to remember in your brain that east going person right, south. Put your hands, huh? East going person taking a right, south. East going person taking a left, north. Once again, back to basics. North going person taking a right goes towards the east. North going person taking a left goes towards the west. East going person taking a right, south. East going person taking a left, north. Now, imagine that. Here is your car. Okay. Now, this is a car which you have greatly built. And this car is going towards the west. West, west. West. West going person taking a right, he will go towards the north. Remember, west going person taking a right, north. West going person taking a left, south. I believe you're understanding the basics. Basics play a very, very vital role in whatever you're doing. Following everybody? Clear? Now let's try to move forward. Back to basics once again. North going person right, east. North going person left, west. East going person right, south. East going person left, north. West going person right, north. West going person left, south. These are very important. These are very important. Okay, everybody. Now, so one thing you should remember, SRW. Okay. Now, south going person taking a right will always go towards the west. Many people have a confusion in this thing. South going person right means you will put your right. Don't put your right. This is wrong. South going person taking a right will always go towards the west. South going person taking a left will always go towards the east. So better, no confusion. Just try to do like this. Are you understanding everybody here? So these all basics are very, very important, very, very important, very, very important. Okay. Chaliye. Now let's sort of move forward. I believe you all people have done it once again. Okay, these basics we have learned in a clockwise, and then we have learned this thing. I'm remembering all these things once again. I'm telling you one thing: north going person right, east. North going person left, west. East going person right, south. East going person left, north. West going person right, north. West going person left, south. So these are the very important. And don't forget SRW, not Shah Rukh Khan. South going person taking a right will always go towards the west. Don't forget this basic, students. समझ में आ रहा है? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Good. Okay. Now, very good, Vishwajit, very good. Amit Patel, आप नए नए हो. चलिए, कोई बात नहीं. Let's try to move forward now. Clear? Let's try to move forward now here. First question I'll teach you. Listen very carefully. We don't have a time. We don't have a time, everybody. Here. He told you, sir, a person went 20 kilometers towards south. Okay, stop. This is south. This is a person. He went 20 kilometers south. Look, a person went 20 kilometers towards south and traveled and took right. Don't forget that. What did you say here? And took right. Yellow color I have painted. Took right. Could you please try to shout and tell me? South going person taking a right. South going person taking a right. You should tell me. Are he is going towards the south. He took right. You tell me. That's good. That is what? West. Sorry. South going person taking a right will always go towards the west. Don't forget this. So west. Very good. West. How much west? Traveled 40 kilometers. So he has traveled 40 kilometers. How many kilometers? 40 kilometers. I hope you have understood now. Clear? Now, again he took a right turn. Again right turn. Your brain should act like this. Now he is going west. Your car is going towards the west. Right turn. Right turn means north. Okay. How much right turn? 20 kilometer. So we should go 20 kilometer. Everybody on the board now. We should go 20 kilometer. I hope you know that this is not 20 kilometer. Why you should not draw like this? I'll tell you. The simple reason why we should not draw like this. Because, sir, your 20 is still here to here. Then all of a sudden, how your 20 changes? Do remember. So this should not be like this. Are you understanding, everybody? Then how to draw the 20? Sir, 20 should be appropriately like this. 20. Understanding, everybody? Then what is the last one? Let's see what's the last one. Okay. Finally took left turn. Finally took left turn. Now, not going person taking a left. Left means left. Okay. Not going person taking a left. Traveled 30 kilometers. So the person is here now. Following, everybody? So like this he traveled. Everybody on the board now. A person started from his house, went south 20, took a right and traveled 40, again took a right, traveled 20, again took a left, and this thing. This is the way he traveled. Are you understanding, everybody? Now, what is the prashna? Sir, how far? Okay, how far? I'll tell you how far. Sir, from his house, this is his house. Okay, how far? He's this much far. You all know that. This is 30. This I can put appropriately 40. So you all know that this is 40 kilometer away, balancing here, and 30. So how far? He's 70 kilometer away. How far is he from the starting point? From the starting point, he is 70 kilometer away. Following, everybody? 130. Hey Bhagwan, aise kaise ho gaya? Okay, so you are not supposed to add all these things. Akshay, you are not supposed to add all these things. How far? This much far from the starting point. Following, everybody? Is asking in the next question. The next question is asking you, sir, which direction from the starting point? From the starting point, which direction? I'll tell you from the starting point. Listen, everybody. Okay. Answer is not at all important, bhaiya. Just listen the first question very carefully. Okay. How far means 70 kilometers. We got it. Now, which direction from the starting point? From the starting point, what is this? North. From the start, from his house, what is this? East. What is this? South. From the starting point, what is this direction? What is this direction? What is this direction? West. So you can say your answer is west 70 kilometer. What 70 kilometer? West 70 kilometer. I hope you all understanding, everybody. So this is the way I have to do it. समझ में आ रहा है भैया? बोलिए. बोलिए जोर से बोलिए. Say yes or no. Yes. Understood? So this is the way we are supposed to do it. He went south 20 and this thing and this thing and this thing. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Now, let's try to move forward. Very good, Varsha. Very good, Sri Das. Now, let's try to listen, everybody on the board now. Here, sir. Now, let me just try to tell you this. We have done with the help of diagram. Okay, let me just try to give you one question. Okay, chaliye, do this question, everybody. Do this question, Sagar. Do this question. Make it faster. You got CAAC. Yes, clear. Students, you have got little bit of issue on this thing. Clear. The issue is, sorry, C, D, A. Please try to understand that. Please try to understand here. Okay, everybody on the board now. Everybody on the screen now. Yes. Willingly, I gave you this question. I know that you will make a mistake, but I'll tell you how to do it. Please try to cooperate with me. Please try to cooperate with me. Everybody on the board now. Here, look. A person went 50 kilometers towards north. Look at that. 50 kilometers he have gone towards the north. Okay, and took right. You know that. North going person taking a right. 20 kilometer. 20 kilometer. Again, he covered 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer, always taking which turn? Always taking left turn. From here onwards, he is taking always left turn. Okay, everybody, be careful how to do it now. East going person taking a left, north. North going person taking a left, west. West going person taking a left, south. How much? 30. 30. This is a way. Okay, clear? You all people have done it. Listen, everybody, carefully. Are answer is not at all important. Now listen very carefully. Okay. Here. This is his house. From the house, he is in which direction? From the house, he is in which direction? Which direction is this thing? Yes. From the house, he is in which direction? You all tell me which direction is this thing? This is north. So answer is north. From his house. From his house, what is this? That is east. From his house, what is this? West. From his house, what is this? South. If you see from his house, he is in north direction. Following everybody? Clear? Now, everybody on the board now. From his house, he is in the north side right now. Now, this is the way. He went like this, like this, like this, like this. He came and stand here. If you go and check it out from his house, he is in the north direction right now. Okay. Now, how far? How far means you all know that. This is 50 and this is 10. Overall, how much? 60. Overall, how much? 60. From 60, you have to remove, come back 30. So, answer is 30. Following everybody? So, answer is not 30. So, best answer is Agra. Best answer is Agra. Are you understanding? Some people got B, some people got C. From his house, you have to see which direction is he from the starting point. Following? So maximum people say C, that is true. Okay, but you have to understand that is north side. Some people got 40, that's the wrong answer. Yes, many students will do wrong answer because you are following this question, only this question. Listen everybody on the board now. I am taking you to the previous question. Now let's try to see the previous question. You got the answer as west 70. You got the answer as west 70. The same answer west 70. I will do once again. Previous question I'm teaching you once again, but without the help of diagram now. Bolo what? Without the help of diagram, I'm doing this question. Everybody on the board now. Yeah, Aditi, that was north. Okay, everything was right, but you have not kept north, Aditi. Okay, now listen everybody. Same answer, the first question I am doing without the help of diagram, but for doing without the help of diagram, you should learn one kind of shortcut. The shortcut is what? Whenever you come across opposite directions, you should cut it down. You should subtract opposite directions. You know what are opposite directions? North and south, they are opposite. Subtract them. East and west, they are opposite. Subtract them. I hope you are understanding. Whenever you come across opposite directions, you should subtract them. If you come across same directions, you should add them. This is the way you should follow. I repeat once again. Opposite directions, subtract them. Like directions, add. Like east, east, add them. You come across west, west, add them like that. Okay. Using this, we can do within seconds. Everybody on the board now here. Listen. I'm doing all the question once again without the help of diagram. A person went 20 kilometers south. Yes, sir. South 20 kilometers. That's it. No diagram, nothing. S20. Okay. Now, what he told? Took right. Took right. Okay. Now, you have to tell me. South going person taking a right. South going person taking, you know that. South going person taking a right. South going person taking a right. Don't forget this. South going person taking a right, that is west. How much he told? 40 kilometers. I'm writing 40. That's it. I'm not drawing any diagram. This time I'm doing without a little bit of diagram. Hope you understand this. Listen first. Many people try to get the answer faster. Sir, मेरे को ये आया, मेरे को वो आया, मेरे को अरे क्या करना है, किसको क्या आया? देखो यहाँ पर. Okay. Now here he took right side and traveled 20 kilometers. Again he took right. Now you should tell me west going person taking a right. West going person taking a right. West going person taking a right. Now west going person taking a right. That's good. That's north. How much? 20. What he said that finally he turned left. Finally he turned left. Now you all tell me here. North going person taking a left. North going person taking a left. North going person taking a left. That is west. How much? 30. Over. You have written the data. No diagram. Data. Now opposite, jump. South 20, north 20. They are opposites. Opposites should be subtracted. Bullet 20 minus 20, 0. Nothing is left. Opposites have to be subtracted. Like things have to be added. Sir, let's try to move forward. West, west. Are they same? Yes. Then add them. West, west, west. 40 plus 30, that is 70. We got the same answer. Check it out. Ardhamaitunda? Yes or no? Let's try to move forward now. This question you made a long trouble. This question. North 30 you got it. North 30 you got it. Now let's try to do the same question. North 30. Same question we will do it, but without the help of diagram. Listen, this can be done without the help of diagram. Why? Because it's only one person is traveling here. Let's try to have a look here. Now once again I'm teaching everybody this question. Just try to listen everybody. A person went north 50, nothing that N50. Again, travel 20 kilometers, taking right, taking right, taking right, not going person taking a right, not going person taking a right, not going person taking a right, that is east 20. He traveled 10, 20, 30, always taking left, from here onwards left. Now, east going person taking, from here onwards left, 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 huh? East going person taking a left, north, 10 kilometer, huh? Now, again 20. Not going person taking a left, not going person taking a left, not going person taking a left, not left. West, 20. Last one is what? 30. Again left. West going person taking a left, west going person taking a left, west going... I think you know that. West going person taking a left. West going person taking a left. South. Over. No diagram, only information I'm writing. Let's try to move forward. Everybody on the board now. Opposite. Now look at that. This is east 20. This is west 20. 20 minus 20, nothing. Jao. Again, you should tell me what shall I do with these two? North, north. What shall I do with north, north? Add. North, north, north. 50 plus 60. That is 60. These two you have added. Now copy these two here. South 30 is still pending. Over. Now, opposite subtract. North and south subtract. Okay. 60 minus 30 is 30. Tell me who is extra in these two? North is more. North is more. Subtract these two, but north is 30 extra. So don't you think you got the same answer, students? समझ में आ रहा है? बोलो yes. Following? Clear? This is the way we are supposed to do it. Clear? Same answer we got it without. Okay. Add north. Hmm? Add north and subtract south. It's not add north. Okay, north and south are opposite. Subtract. 60 minus 30 is 30. Who is extra in these two? North is extra. Compared to south, north is extra. So I'm writing north. North 30 is left. Okay, Aditi? Now, let's try to move forward. I believe everybody have understood this shortcut method without the help of diagram. And now I believe that within 2 minutes, you'll do 2 questions. Make it faster, everybody. Your time starts now. The timer has started. 2 questions I've given you. Make it faster. Don't say I don't know, or don't know, you don't know. सर समय समाप्त हो गया है. डीडी, डीसी, डीसी, डीडी. चलिए, नो वरीज. ओके, सो आई डोंट think so there's a doubt in this thing. Okay, so you're saying everybody is saying the first one is D. Chalo, happy to say that. This one is D. That's good. Are you sure you got D? That's good. Shankar, I've changed his answer. DC. Okay, you got this one as C. Good. No doubts. If doubts, say D. No doubts, no doubts. ND. Make it faster. Communication. Chalo, faster. ND. Very good. Good. Now, let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward, everybody on the board now. Here, he has given you, here, listen to this question, everybody. A man started South 8. This is a starting point. South 8. Again took right. You all know that. South going person taking a right. 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 Will always go towards the west. West 8. Finally he took left turn. Finally he took left turn. Finally took left turn. From here he took left turn. But not 8 this time, 7. So this is the way he has gone. Listen, everybody on the board now. I'm teaching you something which you already know. I'm teaching you once again. A person went south 8, again 7. This is the way. Okay. Now, you have to tell me how far and in which direction. Direction I can tell you. Listen, everybody. This is a starting point. This is a starting point. From the starting point, this is, you all know that, north. Huh? From the starting point, this is east. You all know that. From the starting point, this is west. From the starting point, this is south. But from the starting point, he is in which direction right now? You all tell me, is it north or south or south or southwest? This we call it as southwest. This is south, this is west. So he is not in that, he is in southwest. Following everybody, Rakesh Naidu, that's great. Okay, this is southwest. Good, good. Now listen everybody, okay, I'll give you the time to do, and you just try to tell in that time. Okay, you told which direction you told me, but my question is how far also. Okay, my question is how far also. Listen everybody, now you got this directions, I'm happy that, but my question is how far. He's in which direction? Southwest direction. You all know that this is south, this is west, he's in the, this is south, this is west, he's in the southwest direction. But my question is how far. We are supposed to find out this distance. This is a straight distance I want. Understanding everybody? This how far from his house to the final point, how far? Students, here you are supposed to do little bit of construction. Let me tell you what the construction you are supposed to do. Here, listen everybody, the construction is like this. Dot, dot, dot. This is 7, so this is also 7. I am adding, this is 8, this is also 8. I hope you all people are understanding. I hope you all people are understanding. So now this looks like a right angle triangle, students. This is looking like a right angle triangle. Shekhar, your answer was wrong. Okay, now Rakesh Naidu have changed the answer. Listen everybody. Did you change the answer? Or earlier you got the same answer? Anyways, Yes, Rakesh Naidu changed the answer. Very good. Now, listen everybody. This is height, this is base, this is hypotenuse. You remember? Right angle triangle. So we have to do, this is what? 15. A square plus B square is equal to C square. A, 8 square. B is not 7, B is not 8, it's totally 15. 15 square is equal to C square. So C square is equal to 289. C is equal to root 289, which is 17. Means answer is southwest 17. Ardhamaitunda. I hope you all people are getting. But ये है आम जिंदगी. ओके चलिए अभी चलते हैं. Let's try to move forward without the help of diagram. Are you understanding everybody? Without the help of diagram, how shall we do it? Listen everybody. Now, कहाँ गया बच्चा? South 8. He went south 8. No diagram, only information. Took right. South going person taking a right. South going person taking a right. Don't forget that. South going person taking a right west. 8 kilometer again. Finally, left turn. Finally, left turn. Again, you should shout me. West going person taking a left. West going person taking a left. That is south. No diagram, only information. I hope. Shekhar, you got it? Now listen everybody. Sagar, you got it? Now, like things, add. Like things, add. What are like things here? South are like things, so we shall add here in order to get it. So you all tell me, south 8, south 7, south 15. Now this you copy here, west 8. Now students, we are in a situation we cannot add because they are not same directions. They are not south south, they are not west west. We cannot subtract because they are not opposite directions. South and north can be subtracted. West east can be subtracted. Students, we can't even add, we can't even subtract. Are that itself is the answer. Whatever is left, that you have to treat it as a final answer. What is left? Southwest. Answer is southwest. That's it. But you are left with two numbers. Whenever you come across two numbers, you have to do always like this. Under root of first number square plus second number square. Remember everybody. Are you understanding everybody? Whenever you come across two numbers, you have to remember under root of first number square and second number square. That is 225, 64, 289. So answer is 17. Answer is what? 17. It's not 15, it's not 8, it is 17. I hope you all people have understood now. Say yes or no. If you say yes, I can move forward. There are sir, I don't understand. Can I understand? What you didn't understand? Nothing happens if you don't understand. Don't worry. You have one more question to understand. Okay. Now let's try to. Yes, Prachi. There is nothing. There's nothing to worry about that. Okay. Chale. I believe that whenever you have got the cross distances. Remember, what did you learn now? Cross distances. What did you learn before? What did you learn before? You have learned before straight distances. You have learned before straight distances. Now here you have learned what? Cross distances. So when you come across two lengths, under root of first number square, second number square. और कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो. Don't use this, use that. समझ में आ रहा है? Say yes. Whatever yes. Let's try to move forward. Everybody, you already told yes. Now this question, 2 minute. Make it faster, everybody. Only 2 minutes. You want to do with the help of diagram? You can do with the help of diagram. You want to do without the help of diagram? Without the help of diagram also you can do it. Chaliye. Believing that you all people have got it. Okay. What if west and north is given? Eh? Vinendra got west and north. Anyways, answer is D. Hey, west and north, northwest are one of the same, Vinendra. This north and south will be taken the main points. After that, we will call northeast, northwest. We call. Okay, clear. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. I know that there is no doubt in this question. I know that there is no doubt in this question. I hope you all people are understanding this. Is it clear to you? Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Now, here, there are some kind of questions we're going to give you. Listen, everybody. Okay. There are some kind of questions where they're going to give you. Listen, everybody. Okay. They're going to give you two persons. Okay. They're going to give you two persons. Listen, everybody. How the two persons are given. Listen, everybody. He told you Veena and Viru both start from the same point. Listen, everybody. This is the same point. Veena and Viru. Veena and Viru both start at the same point. Start towards north. Listen, everybody, carefully. They both are standing here. They both are standing here and they started traveling towards north. Veena went north. Viru went north. Veena and Viru both started towards north. After each person walks 10 kilometers. I'm sorry, there is no space here. Now, I'm putting them here. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Jaga nahi hai na? Adjust karo. Veena and Viru went north 10 kilometer. North 10 kilometer. This is the starting point. After each person walked 10 kilometer, Veena turned to the left. Veena turned to the left. She left and walked 5 kilometer. Whereas Viru took right turn. Viru took right turn and traveled 5 kilometer. 5? No, 3 kilometer. I'm sorry. Viru Babu, thoda piche aa jao. Not 5, 3 kilometer. Understanding, everybody? Yeah, this cannot be done without the help of diagram. Diagrams are important because two people are going in their own directions. We don't have a shortcut for this thing. Okay, we have to literally draw the diagram. So Veena and Viru went 10 kilometers towards north. Veena went towards the left 5 kilometers and Viru went towards the right. And he told, whereas Viru took right 3 kilometers. Finally, they both returned towards south 15 kilometers forward. Finally, they both returned towards south. Both are coming towards south 15 kilometers. They are coming 15 kilometers south. This is the way. Following, everybody? This is the way. So what is he asking in the last line? How far is Veena from Viru? How far Veena is from Viru? So you should understand that. How far is Veena from Viru? 8 kilometers. What's the answer? 8 kilometers. Remember, everybody. So there are some kind of questions where they're going to give you two people are walking. When two people are walking, literally diagram is very important. How you have to move, that makes a sense. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Yes. Now, you're understanding. That's good. Grishma, 8 kilometers. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Are you able to understand this one? Yes or no? Yes. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Here. So, Veena and Viru were 10 kilometers going towards the north. Veena took left, Viru took right. 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Both came 15 kilometers south. So, the final distance is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Yes. Following. Suppose, listen everybody. Suppose, listen everybody. Veena came 15 kilometers south, but Viru did not come 15. Viru have come only 6 kilometers or little more. Came 9 kilometers. That's it. What is the final distance between them? Understand the question, everybody? So this is one more tricky question. Okay, Veena and Viru went 10 kilometers towards the north. Veena took right 5 kilometers, Viru took 3 kilometers. Okay, after that they both returned towards the south. Veena came 15, but Viru came only 9. What is the final distance between them? What is the final distance between them? Are you understanding? So is it the straight or cross length? Whenever you have got a cross length, construction. This is 5 plus 3. This is 5 plus 3. That is 8. This is total 15. This is only 9. In this total 15, this is only 9. So remaining things are 6. 9 plus 6, 15. I think now you can do the construction and get the answer. A square plus B square is equal to C square. You all know that. A is 8. 8 square plus C, that is 6 square, is equal to C square. C square is equal to 100. C is equal to 10. So what's the distance between them? 10 kilometer. Straight or cross? Cross. That's good. You're getting the correct answer. Understanding, everybody? So you should remember that. So two people are there. When two people are there, you have to when two people are there, you have to draw the diagram. I hope you're understanding this. Okay, now let's try to not waste the time. We have got a half an hour left. Let's try to move forward. This is A and this is B. Following, everybody? This is A and this is B. I'm teaching this question once again, everybody. Okay, now what A and B are doing? A and B are started walking from the same point with the same point. They are standing and they're going the same speed. Listen, everybody, two people I'm talking. A walked 5 kilometers. Turn left. Again 10 kilometers. Turn left. Again 10 kilometers. I'm teaching you one more question of two people. Just try to listen now. A and B are standing at the same place. A and B are standing. A walks 5 kilometers, again turn left, again turn this thing again. Okay, now listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. Now B also walk the same distances, but always taking right turn. B also walk the same distances, but always taking right turn. Okay, so A and B traveling 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer. B also 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer, but always taking right. A was taking left, left, left. B is taking right, right, right. Okay, so if initially A walked towards the north, A is walking towards the north. A is going towards the north initially, and B goes towards the east. B go towards the east. Initially, A go towards the north and B go towards the east. What's the final distance between them? Clear? Now, A went 5 kilometers towards north, took left. A was taking left, left, left. Listen, everybody. A was taking left, left, left. B was taking right, right, right. This is the plan. Left 5, 10, 10. Right 5, 10, 10. Okay, everybody? Now, listen, everybody. A took north 5, left 10 kilometers. Again left 10. This is 5, plus 5, 10. Understood, everybody? So people give you any kind of things. This we cannot do without the help of, like a diagram. We have to draw because they are going in their own directions. Following, everybody? Now, following. B went 5 kilometer. Took a right 10. Again right 10. Right. South going person taking a right 10. That's what. Following, everybody? Clear? B took also 5, 10, 10. Right, right, right. 5, 10, 10. Left, left, left. Following, everybody? So we are supposed to find out the final distance between them. We have to find out the final distance between them. Means we are supposed to find out this length. Very simple, students. We all know that. Again, we have to do little construction. What is this? We have to find out. This is 5. This is 10. Overall 15. Means this is 10. This should be 5. You check out the length here. 5 plus 10. Overall 15. This overall should be 15. In this 15, this is 10. And this is 5. And how to get this thing? How to get this thing? Very good. This is 5. This is 10. 5 and 10, 15. So this is 10. So remaining should be 5. I hope you have understood that. This is a 5. This is 5. So this will be a square plus b square plus this thing. So you can get it here 5 root 2. What's the answer? 5 root 2 by applying this a square plus b square. Are you understanding, everybody? So answer is what? 5 root 2. This is the answer. How many people are traveling? 2 people are traveling. Are you understanding, everybody? Is that clear to you? I hope you're understanding this. So try to understand that in direction sense, there can be one fellow, there can be two people, there can be straight length, there can be cross length. I hope you're understanding now. So let's not waste the time. Let's try to move forward, everybody. The more you learn, the more perfect you are. Now, chaliye. Now, look at this question, everybody. What is said in this question? Listen. One morning, Rahul and Priya. Everybody on the screen now. Listen. One morning, Rahul and Priya. You know Rahul and Priya? राहुल को तो जानते हो, प्रिया को भी जानते हो. One morning time, Rahul and Priya were standing in a garden. Rahul and Priya क्या कर रहे थे garden में? खड़े थे. They are just standing. Small school children. Rahul, Priya. Don't estimate, what you are thinking. Rahul and Priya were standing in the garden facing each other. If the shadow of Rahul falls to his left hand, then in which direction is Priya facing? Then in which direction is Priya facing? Following, everybody? Clear? Now, listen, everybody. One person is asking, Jagdish, in which direction they ask. Listen, I have to disturb this one. Jagdish, from the starting point, they are here. From the starting point, this is south, this is west. So they are in the southwest. Okay, Jagdish? Now, listen. Always, now I'm teaching a little bit of basics to you. Listen the basics. Once you listen the basics, you are supposed to do one question. Please, please, please try to understand that. Please, please, please try to understand that. We don't have a time now. Listen. One day I was standing like this. I'm teaching you basics once again. Understand. One day I was standing like this. My shadow falls here. My shadow falls here. Definitely sun is on this side. Sun is on this side. Are you understanding, everybody? For example, one day I was standing like this. My shadow is falling here. Definitely sun will be opposite direction. So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Are you understanding, everybody? So if shadow is here, sun will be here. If shadow is here, sun will be here. This basic fact. Clear? Next one. One morning time. Where is morning? Sun. Evening. Morning, the sun is where? East. Evening, west. You all know this basics. One morning he told. Morning time, sun will be in the east. Are you understanding, everybody? Morning time, sun will be in the east. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward. Now, listen, everybody. One morning, I was standing like this. My shadow is here. One morning, I was standing like this. My shadow is here. Where is sun? Here. So here is the sun. So what is this direction? This is east. How can you call this as east? He told morning time. Sun is here. This is east. Same fashion. One evening time, I was standing like this. One evening time, I was standing like this. My shadow is here. Where is west? Sun is here. This is west. So with the help of shadow, you have to locate sun. With the help of shadow, you are supposed to locate sun. And with the help of sun, you have to locate it's a morning or evening. Morning, sun will be in the east. Evening, it will be in the west. Clear? So these are the basics I'm teaching you. So Rakesh got south. Rahul got west. I'll get what? Listen. Listen, everybody. I'm just trying to draw Rahul and Priya. This is Rahul. This is Priya. This is the way we are supposed to do it, everybody. This is Priya. This is Rahul. Rahul and Priya are facing each other. Dekho, facing each other, he told you. They are facing each other. Look, Mera Rahul and Meri Priya. They are also facing each other. समझ में आ रहा है? Rahul and Priya are facing each other. Following, everybody? Now, you have to put the points like this. Rahul's shadow falls to his left hand. Now take your hands like this. This is Rahul. Oh no, here is Rahul. Rahul's shadow falls to his left hand. Rahul's shadow falls to his left hand. Left hand is his side. Listen, everybody, carefully. I'm teaching you. Rahul's shadow falls to his left side. Rahul's shadow falls to his left side. So this here is shadow. Who is here? Shadow. Who is here? Shadow. Rahul's shadow falls to his left hand. Rahul's shadow falls to his left hand. Here is shadow. Who is shadow here? Here is shadow. When shadow is here, who is here? Sun. When shadow is here, who is here? Sun. So sun is here. I hope you have understood that. Rahul's shadow falls to his left hand. When Rahul's shadow is on this side, sun will be on that side. Are you understand, everybody? You tell me. Everybody on this thing now. You tell me, what is this? Sun. Where is sun in the morning time? East. So we have to call this one as what? East. Are you understanding, everybody? What is this said to be? East. Following, everybody? Here is shadow. Here is sun. That is east. Clear? Now, everybody, Aditi, you all people are doing on your own. First you listen. I don't want your answers. Okay, this is east. So if this is east, you know cyclic. This is east, this is west. In cyclic, after east, bolo baba, south. After south, north. After south, after south, west. After west, north. After north, east. Don't forget this cyclic. Once you got sun's location, you got all the locations. So tell me, in which direction is Priya facing? In which direction is Priya facing? In which direction is Priya facing? Priya is facing which direction now? Priya is facing south direction. Priya is facing which direction right now? Priya is facing which direction? Priya is facing south direction. Understanding, everybody? Clear? That's good. Now, sometimes they will not give you like this. Listen, everybody. Sometimes they will not give you like this. They are not facing each other. They are facing in an opposite direction. Rahul and Priya are facing in an opposite direction. Listen, everybody. So sometimes Rahul and Priya, this is Rahul, this is प्रिया. अभी झगड़ा हो गया ना दोनों को, शाम हो गया. Okay. Now, sometimes the questions are given like this. So you have to understand that you have to put stuff. Now let's try to do the same question. Rahul's shadow falls to his left hand. Rahul is this side. You put your hands like this. Rahul's shadow falls to his left side. So this is left side. This is left side. If Rahul was facing like this, his shadow will be here. If Rahul facing like this, shadow will be here. I hope you're understanding this. Rahul's shadow falls to his left hand. So shadow is here. Who is here? Sun. Where is sun? East. This is what? West. After west, south. This one is. I hope you are understanding this one. Is it clear to you? Clear? Now, suppose he told you evening. Evening, sun will be where? Where is sun? Sun will be in the, please tell me, west. Clear? Chaliye. Now, same model. Okay, this is the new model, that is shadows model. I want you to do one question, everybody. Please try to do these two questions. Make it faster, everybody. Rakesh, even if you interchange the people, answer will not change. Answer will be same even if you interchange. Try on your side, it will be 100% same. Make it faster. More 15 to 20 minutes are left. We have to do more 2 questions. Eleventh answer is A for Mayank Tiwari. Mayank Tiwari, 11th answer is A. Rodra Sagar is also got A, but second answer is D. Make it faster, make it faster. AD, AC, Naina, Nainwani. Sunny, you got AC. Many people getting AB. Shekhar got B. AB. Chaliye. Make it faster, everybody. It's over. Chaliye. No worries. No worries. Okay. I believe that you got the answer. Okay. So, do you have in the doubt in the 11th one? Do you have a doubt in the 11th one? No, I don't think so. If anybody in the class had a doubt in the 11th one, you can just try to tell me, yes, I have a doubt. Please type in D if you have a doubt. If you don't have a doubt, please type ND. I don't want to waste the time. Which question you want? 11th one or 12th one? Jaldi, jaldi batao. 11th one or 12th one? Jaldi, jaldi batao. Twelfth one. Very good. Sujita, 12th one, you have a doubt? Chaliye. 12th one I didn't teach you, for example. 12th one I didn't teach. Rakesh, everybody, 12th one on the board now. The time in the clock is 11:25. The time in the clock is 11:25. Shall I draw the clock for you? Yes, I must draw the clock for you. Listen, everybody. No, sorry. Listen, everybody. Time in the clock. This is a clock. You know that this is 12. This is 6. This is 3. This is 9. Then you have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 we already done, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Listen, everybody. So the time in the clock is 11:25. 11:25. You all know that. This is 11:25. So longer hand will be over here and shorter hand will not be on 11. It will be after 11. 100% ऐसा थोड़े ही होता है. 11:25 it will not be on 11. Understand that? It will be after 11. Okay, everybody, clear? Now, listen, everybody. The time in the clock is 11:25. This is 11:25. It will be on 5 and this is not on 11. This is after 11. I hope you are understanding now. What did he say in this question? He told you if the minute's hand is facing towards north, then in which direction is the hour's hand is facing? If the minute hand is facing towards the north, in which direction is hour's hand is facing? Let's try to move forward, everybody. If the minute's hand is facing towards the what? If the minute's hand is facing towards the north, if they call this one as north. If they call this one as north, if the minute's hand is facing towards the north, in which direction is the shorter hand is facing towards? So listen, everybody. This is very simple. Listen, everybody. Now, suppose this is a minute's hand I'm talking about. Minute's hand. Minute's hand will change one direction for every 15 minutes. Remember, everybody. If this is north, this is east. Listen, everybody. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Look at that. If this is east, this will be south. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If this is south, this will be west. This will be west. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. This is 15 minutes. Are you understanding? So we have to understand that longer hand changes one direction. Longer hand changes one direction, not for 5 minutes, for every 15 minutes. Remember, based on that, we will get the logic of this thing. Listen, everybody on the board now. Listen, everybody on the board now. Longer hand changes one direction. Longer hand changes one direction after 15 minutes. So he told you this is north. So this is not east, you know, clockwise, north, east, south, west. So this is north. After north you have east, but this is not east. This is not east, this is east. After 15 minutes you got east. Understanding, everybody? Clear? Now, if this is east, 5, 10, 15. This will be what? This will be what? This will be after east. You know that basics. Don't say I don't know basics. After east, south. 5, 10, 15. That is, after south, you have west. So your direction. I want, what is this direction? What is this direction? So this direction is definitely southwest. Answer is southwest. Are you understanding it? How we got this answer? For every 15 minutes, long run changes one direction. If you told this is north, 5, 10, 15, you have got one more direction. 5, 10, 15, you got one more. 5, 10, 15, you got one more. So you should understand that. So this is north. So definitely quite opposite is south. And this is east. And this is west. And your hand is in the southwest. I hope everybody have understood this. Is it clear to you, everybody? Shall we move forward now? Shall we move forward now? I don't know whether you're answering or not. Shall we move forward now? Yes, Rakesh Naidu, we shall move forward. Okay, now let's move forward, everybody. I am taking you to the next question. This question we have got. Answer, what is that? Answer, what did you get? Southwest. Answer is southwest. Answer is southwest. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Is it southwest we got it? Yeah, southwest. Now listen, everybody. Let's move forward for the next question. This is the last model. This is the last model. Listen, everybody, very carefully. We have got very limited time and we are doing it. Now, listen, everybody on the board now. Listen, everybody on the board now. Everybody. Yes. Here, he told you there are 5 villages situated close to each other. P is west of Q, S is south of P, T is north of Q, something, something, something. We don't know what is that. Leave it now. Listen. So this is based on map. You are supposed to draw the map. Following everybody? You are supposed to draw what? Map. Okay. So how to draw the map? Okay, I'll tell you. There are 5 villages. Everybody on the board now. There are 5 villages here. Now, I know that some of the people are listening, but they are not able to chat. Leave it. Ab mujhe padhana hai. Just try to listen very carefully. If you are listening me, please try to listen very carefully. Okay. Now, there are 5 people. Who are these 5 people? P, Q, R, S, T. These 5 people are situated. So you are supposed to draw one map. How to draw the map? Listen, everybody. He told you P is west of Q. P is west of Q. P is west of Q. Look, I'm writing Q here. Where is P? With respect to Q, where is P? P is west. West means, you know, west. This is west. That is east. This is north. This is south. P is west of Q. P is west of Q. What is that next one? S is south of P. S is south of P. P is here, south. S. S is south of P. S is south of P. Then T is north of Q. T is north of Q. Already know T. T is north of Q. T is north of Q. Okay, T is north of Q. Last one. R is east of T. R is east of T. T you already have. This is north. This is west. This is south. This is east. R. So this kind of questions will also be given to you, students. Some 5 villages he told. Sometimes he'll give you 5 buildings, 5 cities, 5 monuments, 5 towns, 5 pillars, whatever. So you are supposed to keep all these things here. Okay, everybody. So first line, P is west of Q. P is west of Q. S is south of P, south of P. T is north of Q, T is north side of Q, and R is east of T. Over. So I have plotted all these things. Now, in what is it that? Then in which direction T is in which direction with respect to S? Where is T with respect to S? With respect to S means from S. Where is T with respect to S? From S. From S. From S, where is the T? Everybody, listen, everybody. From S, where is the T? From S, north. I hope everybody is listening now. Following everybody? Now, from S, north. From S, east. From S, where is this T? What is this? We call it as northeast. That is the answer. Are you understanding, students? Okay. So this is the way we are supposed to do it. For example, he told you, in which direction? In which direction is Q? In which direction is Q? In which direction is Q? From R. Listen, the question changed now. In which direction is Q with respect to R? With respect to R. When he told with respect to R, you should go and stand there R. With respect to R. From here. With respect to R. What is this? West. With respect to R, this is west. With respect to R, this is north. From R, this is east. From R, this is south. From R, this is south. So where is this Q? What do you call it as? From R, this is southwest. Answer is southwest. Are you understanding, everybody? So whenever these kind of questions are given to you, you are supposed to do like this. I hope you all people are following here. Now, let's try to move forward here. Let's try to move forward. I know that you all people are listening. तुम लोग अभी हो सेशन में. I know that. मुझे लग रहा है मेरी अंतरात्मा बोल रही है. Now, let's try to know that. Okay, one more question. One more question I'm teaching you. This is based on pillar now. This is based on pillar. Okay. Now, listen, everybody. 4 pillars are there. 4 pillars. Pillars are A, B, C, D. Listen very carefully. He told you such a way that A is south of C. Pillar A is south of C. Pillar A is south side C. Pillar A is south of C. Of C. You are supposed to put C first. Now you tell me, where is this pillar A? Pillar A is south of C. Pillar A is south of C. Are you understanding, everybody? Pillar A is south of C and also to the west of B. Pillar A is south of C. Pillar A is south of C and also west side of B. Means pillar A is south of C and also west. West means don't come west. If you write on B here, pillar A is east of. Pillar A is east of B. Pillar A is south of C and east of B. So this is wrong. A is on the west of B, he told you. If you write on B here, A is on the west of B. Are you understanding, everybody? I repeat the things once again. Everybody on the board now. I repeat once again. Pillar A is south of C. C is here. Pillar A is south of C. Pillar A is south of C and also west side of B. A is south of C and also west side of B. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Okay. Now, D is south of Bangalore. D is south of Bangalore. Bangalore is here. D is on the south. D is south of Bangalore. Over. If you read properly, you have drawn. Now, what's the question? In which direction is Delhi from Chennai? Question is very simple. In which direction is Delhi from Chennai? Delhi from Chennai. From Chennai. From Chennai. From Chennai. You should stand at Chennai. From Chennai. From Chennai, where is Delhi? What do I know? From Chennai, this is east. From Chennai, this is west. From Chennai, this is north. From Chennai, this is south. From Chennai, where is Delhi? What is this called to be? Bolo beta. This is said to be what? Southeast. What do you call it as? Southeast. I hope you're understanding this. You are supposed to draw the pillars or buildings, and from C he told. Suppose I'm changing the question. Listen, everybody. I think you have understood this. Question is changed now. Chennai from Delhi. Question changed now. In which direction is Chennai from Delhi? Listen once again. From Delhi. From Delhi. From Delhi. Chennai from Delhi. Chennai from Delhi. Chennai from Delhi. From Delhi. From Delhi. From Delhi. You should stand here and see. Not from here. You should stand here and see. From Delhi. East, west, south and north. From Delhi, where is this Chennai? What do you call it as? This is north and this is west. What do you call it as? Northwest. Understanding, everybody? So this is a perfect way of doing this question. I hope you have understood this model also. Following, everybody? I recollect what we have done so far. Everybody, let's try to move back. What we have done straight directions. Then we have done cross directions. Then we have done what we have done to two people. We have done. Listen, everybody. Two people. Veena, Viru, two people are traveling. And here also two people are traveling. Okay. And also we have done the shadow based question. Rahul, Priya, Rahul. We have done this question also. And I will recollect what we have done here. We have done here clock based question also. This clock based question also. And here we have done map based questions. Following. We have done what questions? Map. You are supposed to draw one map. In that map, you are supposed to have all the pillars and everything. Is it fine, everybody?